How to unfollow people who don't follow you back on Instagram. Tired of following hundreds of people who don't follow you back? I'll show you the fastest methods to clean up your Instagram following list. If this helps you optimize your account, hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram growth tips. Having a bloated following list with people who don't follow you back can hurt your Instagram engagement rate and make your account look less credible. Whether you're trying to improve your follower to following ratio or just want to declutter your feed, unfollowing non-followers is a smart move. Today, I'm showing you the best methods to identify and unfollow people who don't follow you back. First, manually check using Instagram's native features. Open Instagram and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right. Tap on your following count at the top. You'll see everyone you follow. Tap on each person's name to visit their profile and look at the button under their bio. If it says following, they don't follow you back. If it says follow back, they already follow you. For non-followers, tap the following button and select unfollow. This method works but is extremely time-consuming if you follow hundreds of people. Second, use Instagram's following categories for faster sorting. When you're on your following list, look for categories at the top of the screen. Tap on least interacted with to see accounts you rarely engage with. These are often people who don't follow you back or whose content doesn't interest you anymore. Go through this list and tap the following button next to each account, then select unfollow. This is much faster than checking every single account manually. Third, use a third-party app designed for unfollowing non-followers. Download a reputable Instagram management app like Followers Track, Follower Analyzer, or Unfollow users from your App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and log in with your Instagram credentials. The app will analyze your account and show you a dedicated list of people who don't follow you back, often labeled as non-followers or not following back. Select the accounts you want to unfollow, and the app will help you unfollow them. Be cautious and only use well-reviewed apps to protect your account's security. Fourth, be aware of Instagram's unfollowing limits to avoid getting blocked. Instagram has strict limits to prevent spam behavior. You can safely unfollow around 50 to 100 accounts per day maximum. If you exceed this, Instagram may temporarily block you from following or unfollowing for several hours or even days. Space out your unfollowing throughout the day rather than doing it all at once. Unfollow 20 to 30 accounts in the morning, another batch in the afternoon, and finish in the evening to stay under the radar. Fifth, create a strategy for who to keep and who to unfollow. Don't automatically unfollow everyone who doesn't follow you back. Keep following friends, family, celebrities, brands you genuinely like, inspirational accounts, and industry leaders whose content adds value to your feed. Focus your unfollowing on random accounts you followed hoping for a follow back, inactive users with no recent posts, spam or bot accounts, and accounts that no longer align with your interests or niche. Here's a pro tip that saves massive time. Use the search or filter function within third-party follower apps to sort by specific criteria. Many apps let you filter non-followers by last active date, engagement level, or account type. Prioritize unfollowing inactive accounts first since they won't add value even if they did follow you back. These are accounts that haven't posted in months or years. Also, be strategic about your following to follower ratio. If you're trying to look more credible or grow your account, aim to have fewer people you follow than people who follow you. A good target ratio is following about 70 to 80% of your follower count or less. For example, if you have 1,000 followers, try to follow no more than 700 to 800 accounts. Another insider tip is to review your following list monthly rather than letting it build up. Set a calendar reminder to do a quick cleanup the first day of every month. This makes the process much faster and less overwhelming than waiting until you're following thousands of accounts. So to recap, unfollowing people who don't follow you back requires either manually checking each account through Instagram's following list, using the least interacted with category for faster filtering, downloading trusted third-party follower tracking apps that identify non-followers automatically, respecting Instagram's daily unfollow limits of 50 to 100 accounts, and being strategic about who you keep versus unfollow based on value and relevance. The fastest and most efficient method is using a reputable third-party app that automatically identifies non-followers. If this guide helped you clean up your Instagram following and improve your ratio, please like this video and subscribe for more Instagram growth and optimization strategies. What's your current follower to following ratio and what's your goal? Are you trying to reach a specific number or just clean up your feed? Let me know in the comments below and share any other Instagram tips that have worked for you. Thanks for watching and enjoy your cleaner, more strategic